ever go to the store and see a pair of jeans that you really like, but you try them on and the waist is always just too big? Well, today's your lucky day.
Hey guys, so I'm back with a new video and
wow, I also tried this freckle tattoo thing by this brand called Freck, and I don't like how it's looking in this video, but I will be doing a review on this really soon because I don't know how it's looking, guys. It's looking kind of suspect right now, but yeah, whatever. Let's just get on with the video.
today I'm going to be doing a life hack when it comes to finding pants that you really like in person, but you're not able to get the right size in your waist. For me, basically, I have a smaller waist and bigger thighs, so it's always hard for me to find pants that actually fit me correctly. Before I would leave the pants in the store, I would never buy them or anything. I would just kind of leave without having anything for me to take home, and that would really suck. But recently I found a solution and I've been doing all of my pants like this. I went to Japan recently and a lot of the jeans that they had elastic just in the back, and then the front was kind of just like how pants normally are. They don't have elastic or anything. So I thought, why not get some elastic bands from Joann's Fabric or Michael's and kind of just do it myself in a way. And I found so many tutorials online on YouTube, so there's actually a lot of tutorials.
I also got this idea from My Style Diary. Hers is a lot less lazy than mine. I just use really basic tools, and hers is a lot more refined. If you would like to watch hers, I'm going to put her link down below.
I've done this before with other things, but I don't know why I haven't done it with pants. Anything to make them high-waisted that really fits my body type, I just go ahead and take it in. I'm going to show you guys how I do this, basically the before and after. So let's get started.
Okay, so the other day I decided to go thrifting, and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to buy that day. I wasn't really in the search for jeans either, but I just happened to find them while I was there. And we first went to a thrift store called American Way, and we ended up missing their sale that day, which was fine, but I couldn't really find any shirts or anything. So I did find one pair of jeans that you guys will see in this video, and yeah, we used that. A belt will not be needed. You will need an elastic band, scissors, needle and thread, and something to push the band through. So here are my pair of jeans. Of course, you can see the waist is kind of big, and I'm going to make a little incision inside of the belt area. There will be a little hole, but you don't want to cut on two sides of it because you will have a hole in your jeans. So I'm going to make it so that I can still put my finger through it. And next I'm going to be taking my elastic band that I got from Joann's Fabric. I'm not going to cut it until after I pull it through, just because you don't know how much of it that you're actually going to be using. It was difficult for me because I didn't have a safety pin, and if you have one, go ahead and use it. It's going to save you a lot of time. So I just went ahead and I used a rat tail comb that I had to kind of push it through. I did have to make a hole through the center just because I wasn't able to get it through to the end, but after that, just go ahead and push it through the final hole and then you'll be fine. And next we'll get to my crappy sewing. Before that, I had to gauge on how much it was going to end up being pulled. I pretty much just eyeballed it, and then I pulled the bands together as tight as I could. And that ended up being pretty good as far as how it looked. So then after that, I was ready to go ahead and sew the ends together. Make sure to go ahead and cut off the excess. You will not be needing the extra bands. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my needle and thread and just kind of sew along the line and make sure that I don't miss any spots so that it stays secure. Next, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And now we're done. You may still be able to see some of the elastic band on the inside, but that's fine because you can't see it on the outside anyway. So yeah, that's it.
You guys, we actually did it. We did this probably in less than 15 minutes. I'm kind of oily right now, but it didn't take me long at all to finish this whole process. Honestly, whenever I do this, I don't spend more than 15-20 minutes finishing it. I honestly needed a safety pin to make the whole process a lot faster. If you have one, it might take you 10 minutes or so to finish this also. I got my elastic band from Joann's Fabric, and I think I got like 30% off or something, so it was only a few bucks. And you can use just that one elastic band, probably that's like maybe 3 to 4 feet, for like a few pairs of jeans or skirts, whatever you want to do to kind of make your pants kind of form to your body. So I'm going to show you how these look on me right now, and I'm also going to show you a few pairs of other pants that I've also taken in myself. These are how the jeans are looking now. In the back, basically it's got the elastic band, so it kind of just forms to the back, rolled up the ends of the jeans here. So these are just like your classic mom jeans now, which I absolutely love. They're very comfortable. I don't need a belt at all. These are great without it. It just fits very nice now. And I'm gonna show you guys 2 other pairs I've done, and I'm sure you guys are gonna be really shocked because they are my favorite now, my favorite pairs of jeans. I love them absolutely, and they were huge in my waist, so yeah. So you guys saw these jeans in my Urban Outfitters haul. These are my wide-legged pair that I got. And when I tell you guys, these were huge in the waist. I think these are like a size 30 or something, either 29 or 30 in the waist. And I'm like a 26, 27 usually. So I really had to, you know, take these in. Totally fits me high-waisted. I'm gonna move the camera up so y'all can see more. So I really do like this method, and I like kind of, you know, me not having spent too much money. So the first pair that I fixed in this video, I only bought the pair of pants for $6 at Goodwill. A lot of the times when you go to like Forever 21 or places like, I don't know, Goodwill or even Urban Outfitters where they have sales and stuff, and they try to sell pants that aren't really selling very well because they're super huge. Maybe you can use that pair of pants to make like a baggy 90s fit but high-waisted, and you can just use the method that I did and go ahead and purchase them for really cheap and not have to spend too much money and make them your own. Just, you know, be resourceful and just kind of, yeah, do it that way. But I'm gonna show you guys one more pair of jeans that I basically took in the same way in this video. Okay, so these probably have to be one of my favorite pairs just because they have rips in them, and I've always wanted rip high-waisted jeans that were like a dark gray denim material, and these were it. I was not thinking about taking them in at first, and I just thought about leaving them at the store, but I'm so glad that I didn't because now they fit perfectly. Honestly, after I just fixed in this waist in the back here, look at that. Got the elastic, you can pull it, but it still is form-fitting to my body, and it's still high-waisted, which is great. You guys also saw this in my Urban Outfitters video, and I did not buy these like this. I took them in myself, and now they fit my body perfectly, and they feel so comfortable. Honestly, after going to Japan and seeing all the jeans like this, it just changed my life, and I'm starting to see more jeans like this here in the States, but they seem to cost a lot more money and they're less affordable. So just doing them yourself just saves you a lot of money, honestly. So if I were you guys and you see a pair of pants that you like and they look too big in the waist or something, just buy them, especially if they're really cheap, and just take them in yourself. Like, it's really easy. I don't even need a belt for any of these. I can just go without them and they fit. And these are very comfortable. I can just move my legs and everything. And also, the cool thing about the elastic in the back is that if you eat more food and stuff and your stomach starts to like expand, you know, during the night or during the day, you have the elastic here to kind of like give way, I guess, during the day. Like, it's not just super tight in the waist. It's gonna be able to expand very well and you won't really feel uncomfortable, which is what I like. That is it for this like life hack DIY video. If you guys want to see more videos like these from me, please let me know. If I have any more, I will definitely make them, and I'll ask you guys what you think about it and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna be probably uploading maybe 2 to 3 times a week from now on. Remember to go ahead and click the notification bell, and thank you to all you new subscribers on my channel. I love all of you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye.